भाई के बर्तन उठाओ, भाई का जूता उठाओ। अरे तो मैं बहुत प्यारी अब रहा थी तो So पहले I'm Manal, this is Fatashiya, of course, you have seen her. अच्छा, तो पहले आप बताएं कैसी हैं आप? मैं बहुत प्यारी, आप बताएं आप कैसी हैं? मैं भी ठीक हूँ। अच्छा, तो we were discussing some days back, हमारी दूसरी एक member Farah, who's not here right now, but we were discussing about LGBTQ. Ew. So that was enough said, but still it was enough. Yeah, but still, what are your thoughts about it? I want to know. Ew. और कुछ elaborates, please. This is a podcast. Why need more screen time? Acha, go on. Why is it even a topic between some sensible people? Like, leave it for the cringe and immature people. But what do you really think? Like, क्या scene है? Do you like? Are you totally against it? Are you like don't care? क्या against it? क्या बोल? Homosexual. I'm homosexual. You're a homosexual? Homophobic. I'm like, what? Are you saying? I'm homophobic. Oh my god. Achha, you're homophobic. I'm not homosexual. Oh my god. Like you want to what? You have very intense hate for them? Yes, a very intense hate. Like how can you? I cannot say. Yeah, how can they do that? You can say that. How can you F your own gender? How? It's so ill. Because they find it attractive. I'm sure you find some things attractive that most people don't. For example, most people find it like everyone. Sick. Abhi you will say, I don't think sex. Fucking hell. Acha. Sex. Abhi not most people would agree. Like, but they are males. Like it's a human nature. We are made to the opposite gender and reproduce. Okay. And we have a natural attraction. How can you fucking attract? But उनकी यही तो explanation है कि they say कि it's natural for us. Like we're born this way. They're not born this way. That's mental illness. ठीक है. वैसे I मतलब kind of agree, but it's like for me it's more of like I'm not a homophobic. I agree with you, man. Oh, okay. I thought she agreed with LGBTQ. अच्छा. But I'm not so like intense hate नहीं है मुझे कोई. I'm not a homophobic, but I'd be like like you do you, मतलब easy scene है. I don't really care. But yeah, it's not a natural need that I would agree. It's not. It's not natural at all. Yeah. But what do you think of the fact that is going on आजकल? I identify as वाला जो scene है. What do you think of that? I can identify as a microphone, I can identify as a plastic jug, I can identify as whatever I want. ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना भाई. है ना? Like that is actually a mental illness. If you are born with a, can I say penis? You've said it. It's okay. If you're born with a penis, how can you say identify as a woman? What the fuck? Woman like you have it. Like there are people saying I identify as a cat, as a fucking wolf. और मैंने I swear to God मैंने TikTok पे कुछ videos देखी हैं जिसमें he's like me realizing that I'm a wolf and the dude is fucking holding you. Alpha Sigma werewolf क्या होता है वो? What the fuck is that? Skibidi. Most people say कि ये Gen Z alpha जो Gen Z हमारे बाद है. They are like this. ने बदनाम कर दिया भाई. Gen Z is not like this. This is just mental illness. Growing up बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रही है. I agree. You have to stop it. But let's talk about feminism though. Ah yes, of course. I love it. Are you a feminist? Yeah. Like I have a very serious हो जाएगा, but I have a very that's okay view on this कि feminism is just women rights. And we have defined it as have you ever heard masculinism या menism or anything? Yeah. No. But women rights की अगर कोई बात करे तो उसको टाइटल दे दिया गया feminism. So is that bad or is that good? It's just human rights but for a gender. Why is it given a title? And you know feminist को कितना बुरा कहा जाता है like आप तो feminist लगती हैं. Like if I talk about जहेज या किसी भी चीज़ में बात करती हूँ आप तो feminist लगती हैं. Yeah, I think you mean feminist. I am talking about human rights. We are humans.
हमारे भी राइट्स हैं जैसे आप लोगों के हैं.
Yeah, you know what? I think some people have defined feminism in such a way कि जिसकी वजह से they think कि यार
Feminism
it's a bad thing to be a
yes,
feminist.
feminism means hate for men. ये हमारा एक व्यू बन चुका है.
Yeah, exactly. I was
So
going
if
there,
you are
हाँ.
feminist, you hate men, you hate society standards, and you want मेरा जैसा मेरी मर्जी. वो औरत मार से मर लिए सब fuck करती है. To be
मेरा
very
जैसा
honest.
मेरी मर्जी, let me just clear that it's about if you want to have an abortion, ठीक है? It's not about
If you want
fucking
to have a
के
baby or not,
I
if
want to
you-
wear whatever I want. It's not that, ठीक है? Whatever it is, बाहर का feminism is this कि यार we can wear whatever we want,
I
but we are also a Muslim country, तो वो
Yeah.
चीज़ इधर apply नहीं होती. It's more about the abortion thing. Like people say कि आप you're not abortion is गुनाह या ये वाला scene, but like it's her body, man.
I
She
think
should
जिसने
have
भी ये
some
बात
rights
की,
over
I
it.
think we should ask her पहले जैसे ये बात की थी मेरा जैसा मेरी मर्जी.
Yeah.
What were exactly her point? Because
Yeah.
इसमें नेगेटिव भी निकल रहा है पॉजिटिव भी निकल
यार
रहा है.
जिसको जो मतलब जो चीज वो सपोर्ट करता है ना वो उससे वो मीनिंग
Obviously,
निकाल रहा है.
obviously.
लाइक द गर्ल्स हु वेयर लाइक थोड़े उस टाइप के कपड़ों
Revealing
वाला
clothes,
सीन या
yeah.
दे से कि ये इस बारे में है. तो यही सीन है मतलब दे जस्ट वांट एन एरिया वेयर दे कुड एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स व्हिच आई गेट इट बट फेमिनिज्म इज नॉट दैट.
टेक इट इन अ वे कि मेरा जिस्म है मेरी मर्जी मैं
No.
किसके साथ शादी करना चाहती हूँ नहीं.
Yeah.
मैं किसको अपनी बॉडी को टच करने का राइट
Yeah.
देना चाहती हूँ या नहीं.
और जैसे
मैं एक
marital
baby चाहती हूँ या नहीं. मैरिटल
abuse,
रेप
yeah.
मैरिटल रेप मैं नेक्स्ट इसी पे आने वाली थी. मैरिटल मैं किसके साथ मतलब इवन इफ इज माय हस्बैंड आई वांट टू डू इट और नॉट. दिस
Yeah.
इज योर मर्जी.
या
Not the I can fuck whoever I want, I can wear whatever I want.
Yeah.
Not that.
एग्री टोटली एग्री. ओके वी आर ऑन द सेम पेज विद दिस.
Yeah.
चलो
Real
फीमेल्स की बात हो गई अब लेट्स गो ऑन मेन.
Ew.
So it's LGBTQ ew, feminism good, men
Men
ew.
LGBTQ.
Elaborate ew please.
Ew is like I don't have words. I have said enough, and I don't want to talk about this. Ew means this.
नहीं I want you to talk about it. Like क्या what do you hate? Like of course you hate वो
Men.
तो clear हो गया है.
I'm afraid. I hate men. No, not actually. वो फिर चला जाएगा. ये देखा ये feminist है. She hates men. Not in that way. Like I have had enough.
I've had enough.
अब बस हो गई है भाई. I cannot debate more about this. ठीक है. There is हम एक तरबियत के मामले में रिगार्डिंग मैन बहुत पीछे हैं. हमने मैन को एक ठीक है एक दे हैव अ अपर लेवल लेकिन हमारी फैमिलीज में जैसे वो एक बना हुआ है भाई आया है पानी लाओ भाई आया उसके साथ
I
खाना खाओ,
hate that
भाई ने
bro.
खाना खा लिया बट भाई के हाथ है भाई भी उतना ही काम कर रहा है जितनी बहन करती है. फक यू मीन भाई के बर्तन उठाओ भाई का जूता उठाओ.
I hate that so much bro. Oh फला even my dad is like मतलब वो भी
Yeah.
यही कहते हैं कि like भाई है
भाई
ऐसा
है.
करना है ये
I mean,
वो.
he's just a penis. He's also a human. It's just a organ जो उसका different है बाकी सब same है. We are made the same way. हम भी उतना ही काम करें. भाई कॉलेज है मैं भी आई हूँ भाई.
मैं भी आई हूँ मेरे लिए
मैं भी
जूस बनाओ
कॉलेज से आई
मैं
हूँ.
क्यों उसके लिए जूस बनाऊँ. Yeah I
भाई
totally
की
agree
पैंट
bro.
इस्त्री भाई क्या टूटे हुए. भाई की पैंट इस्त्री करो भाई को नाड़ा डाल के दो.
Why does he know how to put his own nala in his own chilar bro.
Why are we supposed
Oh
to do
God.
something? इसीलिए men का वो एक बना हुआ है and they don't do anything after marriage because उनको
But I think men को भी
शुरू से
men
ऐसे
ने
रखा
बिगाड़ा
गया.
हुआ है like society ने बिगाड़ा.
ज्यादा माएँ करती हैं.
Yeah,
You know बेटा privilege जो माएँ देती होती हैं.
that is true.
डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स. बेटा है ये भाई है तुम्हारा सहारा है. कोई सहारा नहीं होता भाई. You have to work for your own. Like go for the
Personal
stories.
work.
Yeah, it's getting personal. नहीं मेरा को भाई नहीं है. It's not personal, but it is what it is. Yeah. भाई are not, men are not a सहारा. You have to be your own सहारा. You know हमारा ये जो concept बना हुआ है. Do you disagree?
सहारा वे में यार डिपेंड करता है. If the man
यार-
is providing, if the man is giving me protection, then
Protection
why
in
is he
what
not a सहारा?
Protection in what sense? हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा threat men है.
Yeah, वैसे that's true. वही बात होगी कि
Protection
would you
from what?
choose a
Protection
bear or a
from your
man?
own? अपने आप से प्रोटेक्शन दे रहे हैं वो हमें किस चीज से दे रहे हैं. Like you
that's
should be
debatable.
thankful I'm not raping you. What?
Yeah, no, I agree with that. मतलब यार लेकिन I feel like men को भी society ने ही बिगाड़ दिया. Like if they were मतलब there are very rare.
Men were the one holding the society.
Yeah, well that's true.
They are the society.
She has good points.
No?
Yeah.
So
I am speechless now.
We can
Because
end the
you
debate
gave
at AO.
really good points.
Yeah, हम AO से start किया था. AO पे end कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. I guess it's on you guys. Whatever you think, you can comment down and tell us if you disagree or agree. But he has really good points, so I'm left speechless. There's some things I have to think about when I go
I
home.
know it a lot. Feminism, men, women rights. It's all about the past. I have lots of things to say.
So, give us something for the next podcast, kind of thing.